Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to get Lovestorm EEL in Fisch. To guide you through, here are a few things you'll need to take note of. Event and timing. The Lovestorm EEL event occurs hourly and lasts for 15 minutes. It spawns in every server and you'll need to watch a notification in the global chat signaling the start of the event. Location. Go to the Roselit Bay. This is located near the coordinates -1450, 135, 750. In terms of preparation, you will need to use a fishing rod with a high lock and resilience stats. The Heaven's Rod or Kraken Rod are recommended. Consider using resilient or steady enchantments. For baits, use truffle worms or chocolate fish as bait. Chocolate fish is a preferred bait and you can obtain it by completing the Valentine's event. Using chocolate fish as bait will turn the mutation to chocolate. Chocolate fish provides 200 preferred lock, 150 universal lock, 15 resilience and 20 lure speeds. Timing. We recommend you fish at night. Weather. Windy or aurora borealis weather conditions are preferred. Rod effect. Hooking the Lovestorm EEL applies a -90% speed effect to your fishing rod, making it harder to reel in. And the supercharged Love EEL has a -95% effect. This basically means that it's really hard to catch the Lovestorm EEL. And you need to have that in mind as you're going in for a catch. So with all these information, we wish you success on getting the Lovestorm EEL in Fisch. If this guide was helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.